guys, so today's going to be a very quick video for two reasons. The first reason is that I am extremely hungover from last night. I worked an event. It was a sandbar crawl, so I had a lot to drink last night. I worked the event and then got to attend it after. So yeah, I am going to make this video very quick just because my head is still spinning a little bit. But I wanted to also show you guys, the second reason it's going to be a quick video is because I have my new ring light and I'm so excited to be able to use it. This is what it looks like, the box. So I'm just going to do like a quick unboxing of this ring light I have. And it's from, I ordered it off Amazon, of course. And I believe, excuse me, that I ordered it last week sometime, and it came in the mail yesterday, or excuse me, it came in the mail maybe Friday or Saturday. It was supposed to be here on the 17th, and it actually came early actually, so which was pretty it was pretty cool, pretty neat. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys. I don't know what this is yet. Let me see, hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's from the company Neewer, but like I said, I did buy it off Amazon and it was $89.99. I had free shipping and I for some reason didn't have to pay any tax on it, so it was literally exactly $89.99. So yeah, it comes in this carrying case, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's see what's going on. So, here is the actual light. And I got the 14 inch, I think 12, yeah. So it's 12 inch inner, 14 inch outer. Dimmer. So cool. Okay. So that's the light itself, and then also in the bag definitely comes instructions for people like myself. But you know what's crazy? I never read the instructions, but I probably will for this. But sorry, this is why I bought this ring light, because I can't keep using natural sunlight because the sunlight doesn't do right. But anyway, so you see it has like the directions and how to set it up. So I will be studying this stuff later, of course, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on my videos, or how it makes my videos look. Okay, so it comes with the like plates or panels. Comes with these. It comes with some white ones, and it also comes with orange ones. And these orange ones are probably to like a filter, so to speak. So it probably looks really cool. So let's see. All right, I am going to just put these on there. I'm gonna put these on there. So this is why you should read directions. So this one. All right. So you can see like there's a. It looks the same. If I would have read directions, then I would have known that. I don't know what that was. Okay. So we are going to read the directions. Okay. It's in like Chinese or something. Okay. Let's see how we do this. That is so cool. It has a mirror on it. I did not know that when I bought it. I knew that it had a like piece for my phone. That way I can put my actual phone on it. It's like a tripod and a ring light at the same time. But I did not know that it had, you can attach a mirror to it. Anyway, all right, let's see what the hell I'm doing. There you go, mirror. I got it. Okay. Then this one goes on. Ta-da! Ta-da! There you go. So I fixed it. Alright. So I'm going to plug this up because I do want to see what it looks like and how it works. So hold on. If I may please. Let's see what the hell I need to turn this bad boy on. Turn it up. Turn it up, please. Turn it on. Yeah, and it comes with, so it also comes with this like Bluetooth shutter thingy, so I can control the ring light from this little thing here. So if I want to take a picture or something like that, all I have to do is, and it's compatible. Yeah, it's compatible with like iPhones, Samsung, and then actually Sony as well. And then here is the piece for my cell phone. So my phone should fit in this thing. Hopefully it does. Yes, and this thing like expands so that it can fit your cell phone. Perfect. Alright, so I think that is so cool. This part I'm really actually excited about. So we'll just put that there. Alright. So I'm going to plug this up because I do want to see it work. Oh my god, it looks so dusty, y'all. Alright. This thing has 50 million cords, people, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. It just means that I will have a lot of use for this, which I'm excited about. Alright, let's see if that one works. Okay. So we're just going to plug it up and see if... There it is. Perfect light, this light. It looks really good. I love it. See, so you guys can see. See all my hair looks crazy. You can see all my damn imperfections in my face. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how it worked. And there's it's a dimmer. This is like the brightest. Oh god. So this is the brightest light, the brightest setting. Oh god, where the hell is that button? Okay. This is the brightest setting, and then you can just dim it. And then eventually you can actually turn it off. So initially this is what it looks like when it's, I'll just turn it off for you guys. And then when you turn it on, it hits this setting, and then you can just continue to, well, just can keep going up, and it gets very bright. It's a very bright light. So shine bright tonight, you and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I too, I. Anyway, so yeah. This is the ring light, like I said, by Neewer. I did get it on Amazon. Okay, let's turn this down. I did get it on Amazon for $89.99. It got here within like 4 days, something like that. It wasn't very long. It actually got here early, which I was excited about. It is very I think it's going to be a very important tool, or a very neat tool to use for videos if you're doing makeup tutorials, or if you're just vlogging, period, or if you want to do like a mini photo shoot at your own, you know, your home maybe, or whatever the case may be, or even professional. You can just buy this light. I feel like it'll add the right touch to your photos. I'm going to try it out with my daughter to see, and I'll come back with a video for that. It also, like I said, does come with a carrying case, so you are able to take it with you if you need to. And it also does come with a tripod stand that it'll hold it up, and then as well hold my phone. So again, it comes with the little shutter key, so you can take selfies and things like that. It comes with the cell phone holder that does expand, and I'll just screw it into the back of this thing here. I'll figure it out reading the directions. And then it also comes with some other stuff. Let's see. Like I said, directions, carrying case, and then I believe this is the tripod. that I'm going to hook it up to. So, thank you guys for watching. I will be doing some videos with this ring light to just maybe test it out, I guess. So yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for coming back, and I will see you soon.